Trial passage is coming. Be ready for it. 3, 2, 1, start. My dear countrymen, our forefathers fought for this freedom with extreme commitment, utmost integrity, sincere penance, renunciation, and sacrifice. We should never forget the way they laid their lives for Mother India. We should never forget that during this long and dark ages of slavery, not even a moment was lost when they were not moved by the desire for freedom. There is not a countryman who did not put his best foot forward, aspiring to break free the nation from the shackles of slavery. Now, main passage is coming. Be ready for it. 3, 2, 1, start. My dear countrymen, congratulations and many best wishes to all the countrymen on this auspicious occasion of independence. Today, we are able to live in an independent India because of the sacrifices of millions of sons and daughters of Mother India. This is an occasion to pay tribute to the freedom fighters, martyrs, and brave souls and their spirit and dedication to free Mother India. The valiant soldiers of our armed forces, our paramilitary forces, our police personnel, and our security forces. Everyone is engaged in protecting Mother India. They are engaged in safeguarding the common man. Today is the day to remember their sacrifices and penance sincerely and wholeheartedly. There is another name, Aurobindo Ghosh. Today is the birthday anniversary of Aurobindo Ghosh, who tried the path for being a revolutionary to spiritual. Let us seek His blessings so that we can fulfill His as well as our vision. We are passing through an extraordinary situation. Today, children, the bright future of India are not in front of me. Why? It is because Corona has stopped everyone. In this period of Corona, I salute millions of Corona warriors, doctors, nurses, sanitation workers, ambulance drivers, and so on, who all should I count. I salute all the Corona warriors who, for a long time, have adhered to the mantra of service is the best religion and have served the children of Mother India with complete dedication. In this period of Corona, many of our brothers and sisters have been affected by this pandemic. Many families have been affected. Many have also lost their lives. I express my condolences to all such families and I believe the indomitable willpower and determination of 130 crore countrymen will make us win over Corona and we shall definitely win. I know that recently we have been passing through a number of crises. Floods, especially in the northeast, eastern India, South India, and some parts of Western India. Landslides in many areas, people have had to face many problems. Many people have lost their lives. I also express my condolences to those families, and the nation stands in solidarity with the state governments in these days of crisis. No stone is being left unturned by either the state or central government to provide relief measures to the needy. My dear countrymen, Independence Day is a festival to celebrate freedom. It is an occasion to enthuse new energy by remembering our freedom fighters. This day is a harbinger of new inspiration. It reignites new fervor, exuberance, and enthusiasm. And in times like now, it becomes even more imperative for us to be determined. It is an auspicious day because when we meet again next year to celebrate, we shall be entering into the 75 years of our free existence. This is a momentous occasion